Morning, Corey.
Yeah, good morning, Dewan. How you doing today?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, I got a nice skylight here for the guys.
Nice.
Little fixed unit.
So what's the project for the day?
Today we're doing a roof over here in Brooklyn Park. This one's a storm damage claim. So we're doing the roof. We're gonna, that's partial siding, but today we're gonna start the roof. Well, with this job, we have a brand new deck that was built in the back. We really like to cover that up, plywood, tarps, make sure we don't damage anything on that deck. It's brand new, it was done last year. So those are the hurdles that we have to kind of go through, is make sure that this project is 100% covered up, windows, garage doors, things like that. Hi, my name is Corey Dukatz with Interior Exteriors. We're a family-owned business. My wife's name is Naomi Dukatz. We've been doing this for a very long time. I've been in the business for 15 years. She's also been in the business for 9 years. I really appreciate your guys' time in watching our video. Please give us a call if you have any type of concerns or needs on your property. Inspections are free. Please schedule with us and we will come out and take care of anything that is needed.